Hey everybody, Grumpy Annie 32 with friends here, and welcome to Zombies. Not the Blood Moon zombie, this zombie that I started before. Dude, get in your butt. I'm trapped. So, a mega tank, that's what I needed. I needed this mega tank so I can get a mega tank pet. Where the hell it went? There it is. I got hiccups. Just get out the way. I'm already in it. Yeah. I think I am a pro. I don't know. Ow. Ow. No. Jump, jump, jump like a bunny. Jump like Bonnie. I really need to kill him. Ow. I thought, I can't say things today. Oh god. We got one. I jumped, see? Ow! Easy trick. Stand on bales. It's not cowardly, it's a treat technique. Ow. See? Ow. That hurts. Big mega one. Come on! He's nearly there. I'm not going down without a fight. I didn't get the pet. I think I leveled up though. I'm gonna. What? Let me check. I did! Finally! Oh my god! So I need 10,000 and I'm nearly there. Kind of. I'm gonna tell all my friends in the Grumpy Gang. Oh, one of my friends might be watching this. They can't get me. I'm just like, dang it! I'm gonna sneeze. I'm gonna sneeze. Hey! Army of zombies here. I am the zombie queen! Bow down! Help! Oh, help! Is it only me? No. I'm stuck. Wow! 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 I'm gonna say wow! Vibing. Me being sarcastic. Wow! You guys can't be bothered. I got a zombie with me. Have heard me. Have you have never heard me. Mine! I think I just said mom. Don't know why. No zombie coming. I'm so mad. You can't even tell because I'm literally being sarcastic. Yay! Oh my god, look at all those! Oh no! I'm scared! My voice! Oh no, no, no! Oh no, 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 no. No, 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 no. Banana. Yeah. Get the fast zombie! Get a normal zombie! Kill them all! I can't wait to get a machine gun. Oh no, 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 no. I feel like I'm like the only girl playing this. If you're watching my videos, please be a girl and please play this and I'll give you a shout out. Also, I forgot to say at the start of the video, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below. I subscribe so I can give you a shout out. Oh god, a ghost. Ghost! Busters! Oh god. Alice Angel. Angel on stage. I'm getting attacked by a... screw it. I'm so screwed. Where's the screwer? I'm so screwed. Oh no, no, I'm so screwed. I'm so screwed. I'm so screwed. That's a sassy That's a sassy. Jesus! Oh my! That poor guy. Oh god. Me again! That's it! I'm literally mad. Yep, I'm the only girl in this server. Yeah, we can do the barn. We can do the barn. Barn time. Why prison? How many do I need to kill? So I need to kill. I don't want that. Oh my god, I already got that. I don't want that. Zombie. Okay. I'm sorry about that. I'm tank. So that's 1. Hi, zombie. Please go away, zombie. Purple guy! Kind of purple guy. Oh god, slime. Void slime and a normal slime. And I leveled up. Yay. Man! That's a fast zombie. He picked! Oh my god, Illuminati confirmed! He went back up like nothing happened. I'm mouthless. I meant speechless. Mom! He's a Stampy fan! Stampy! I'm sorry. Stampy fan. Stampy fan. Stampy fan. I got this sword. To get. I need that tank! I need that tank! To get a next knife, I have to be a level 170. That's gonna be hard. Wait to go. Oh, you. Me not doing anything is making sure everyone does. Oh, okay, tank. I need you. Thank you. I need. Don't think I need. Oh my god! Did you see that? Cool lag. Lag, everybody. Yay! We got females! Oh god, stunned. I'm not being racist, but I was the only girl. That's Chip. Did it! I'm working. Where? Oh god, tank. I need you. I really miss you, girl. Watch out! Oh god, that's Spawn. That's a human. I need you, tank. Why am I in first person, anyways? Oh no. Yay! Yay! We're doing it! We're doing it! We're doing it! Give me a sec. 8. Ah! Jesus! We're doing it! We're doing it! Oh, I need that tank. Tanky, 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 tank, 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 tank. Tank.